Hey, how are you? How are you? How are you? I hope you are good. Now that elections are over. Oh, by the way, welcome to another stream, another Yes Futures stream. Today is 11/11. It is Monday. The week, another week, has just begun. The second week, the third week of November has just begun, and it is 11:20 a.m. We have markets making all-time highs. But before going over there, alright, let me put this thing, let me put my monthly time frames here. And I'll just take a look at what we have here, right? This 60.45, this is the all-time high. Actually, it is actually 60.45.50, yeah. And last year high, how much do we have last year high? Let me widen this stuff here. Because I want to correct something here. 50, 80, 48, 39, 75. Okay. And now we have 60.45.25 divided by this. We have 20. Look at this, huh? This is 24.9%. That's 25. This high here is 25% year over year. You want to be exact? Let's do it exact. You know, exactness kills here in this business, but this one over here. 25%. I guess let me put it on this other side so we can see it. Year over year. So it is an unbelievable, a really good year. Okay, let me remove this one. So just at some point, profits have to be taken, probably before taxes. Just be aware of that. Now, this is a very elongated week. Last week has left a questionable low here, and the market is now right back on a very narrow range to begin the week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days with a really impressive gap here between. This is the elections night. And very elongated market. And now what we have, let me put this on the side. What we have here, look on Friday where this market was bought from. Now this is a very prominent overnight POC. Very questionable high, was bought right from there. This is a questionable. This is a very questionable low. What we have before that, we have a gap, and before that, this unbelievable gap, really impressive gaps here below. I am keeping this high here. This is October high. This is going to be really important to me. I think this is, as a matter of fact, I'm going to call it red here. Just to be aware of this. This was the previous high here, which is this one here. Right? If you check your bondly, this is this one here, this one, and this one here. Traders love this kind of marks, references, because they use this for to buy. And now revisit, we have an overnight profile here, another overnight profile here, and of course elections night down here. Now something really, this is the thing that I love. This is Windows Trader. I have this mark here, 1000 contracts that were bought during this here, right? This is after the close on Friday, somewhere just a couple seconds or maybe 1 minute before the market close, 1600s. And if you remember what's happening today, over here, the market open just like this and try to do the same thing I did Friday, but it just didn't have it, man. It just didn't have it. And as soon, I won't say as soon as it disappeared, right? There was a contract, there was a trade here. How do I do this? Settings, histogram, session object, background. Let's do 0. Okay. Look at what we have here. At one moment, the market was going back and forth, just dying. Nothing here, man. Just nothing here. And voila, we have something here. What catches my attention here is the movement that we have, but there was nothing here. And then the amount of contracts here, 1600. Same as this. There could be potentially being profits taken. The market just didn't have it. Okay, you know, somebody who has this amount of capital to put in the market can see it, right? There are sophisticators that will see, okay, this market doesn't have it. I got to hedge or whatever. You can buy here. You know what? Why you buy 1600 at once? You can buy 10,000 and not be seen, right? But somebody wants to be seen here. That was my question. That was the nuance here. Okay, as soon as this happened, the market just started to work its way down here. Okay, I was looking maybe to this area, which is also shallow, but it didn't have it. It got some penetration of the overnight. Some penetration Friday's value. Did get just one tick below Sunday's overnight, but it didn't get to this low here. And remember, the way how the market opened on Sunday or yesterday, it opened with a huge gap relative to the closing. All right, and then from that it rally again. Same opening, same kind of opening as the previous week. All right, and when the market was having this break here, look at what happened here. You know, 16 again. 16 again. You know, when I see this kind of numbers here, you know, probably that is profit taking, right? This market is going nowhere. At the moment when the market was doing this, I was checking also the other markets here. I was checking, we had Nasdaq, ES and Nasdaq were trending lower, were breaking, but the Dow was having a rally here. You know, so when that happens, you know, when markets with these indices are not in sync, it kind of increases the odds that what we may have is a rotational day, right? Notice what happened after that. We talk about this, and then the market started a rotation. What kind of rotation? Start to buy from half back, selling from half back, selling from the high. You know, very question. Just short-term trading going on here. There's a lot of short-term trading. Volume is decreasing as we speak. Okay? Volume is decreasing as we speak. Relative to, where's T-bulk here? Let me give you T-bulk, where's T-bulk, come on. What? I don't have T-bulk here. We can do it here, T-bulk. T-bulk. Uh-oh. This volume is decreasing as we speak. This is volume overall. Elections, lower and lower, and we're having lower volume. Back, kind of like back to usual, right? Back to normal. I didn't know we have this pin here. Huh. What the heck is this? Oh. I guess I can put it here. Okay. If I do it here, does this mean it's going to open here? Let me see. Oh no. Alright, a rotational day, what we have. Look at what we have here. Look at what we have done here. Do you want to be part of this? That's the question. Yeah. Today's stream is not going to be that long. I don't have much to say this. After the rally that we are having, you know, it's not unusual to have some sideways trading. The sideways trading here, you know, this rebalancing of the long inventory, and what can happen after that is the market continues way higher, or it may have some break. What is going to be? I have no idea, man. I have no idea. These actions, or I believe these were opportunities here in this market, right? Or you had to risk. The risk wasn't that much here. These 60-25 puts, when the market was up here, these were 3 points. It is 3 points right now. Notice I choose today's expiring today. What happened here? This went up all the way to, I believe, 6, 7, maybe 9, something like that. But as the day develops, notice what it is now. It's even low. We have even less than 3 now because they are expiring today. And the next thing that I was working was this half here, the 35 calls. Which is 2 days also. Now I was also checking tomorrow's 60-25, this one here. But these were cheap, really. I mean, because you can risk, and the risk is if the market takes this high, that was an out. And you are risking. I was risking only 3 points there. All right. What else can be said from this market? I have I haven't watched. Although let's watch actually. Let's watch the Dow here. You know, I guess we talk in the Dow. We talk about this range here. Notice where it's being bought from. The 50s. We have a trend, a channel here to the upside. Questionable buys here. This one is better than this one here. There are more odds the market is going to come and check this or test this area rather than this one. And this one is even better than this one. And this one is better than this one. The Dow. Oh, goddamn! That's a SPY. I thought it was the Dow. My bad. Sorry. This is the Dow. This is the range I was talking about. Oh, come on again. What the heck, man? What's wrong here? Okay, this is the range I was talking about. I mistake this one. My bad. You know, market check this low. This is. Notice where this low has been bought. Just around the center, not the center gap, kind of like. Let's check the gap a little bit. And notice the impressive gap we have up here. Really big gap here. Gaps are sign of change as well. Okay, remember that. What's happened with Nasdaq? Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Making all-time highs. Very questionable. Maybe short covering here. Two gaps here. 1, 2. This is a range. Look at this range. Just I will move this one now to here. This range. And should I use this one? I will now check this high here. 29.16. 29.16, right? As a reference, support. If I got to be very careful. The market re-enters, take this high back and re-enters this range because potentially it can come to the opposite side. That's an information that I'll carry down the road. No, look at what's happening here, man. As this market makes highs, look at what's happening. Well, look at the volume here. Gosh. Did you see that? It's really bad. I don't like that, man. This is decreasing as well. This is not good. Okay, but sometimes what happens is traders are just so impatient. We are so impatient that we want to see the correction happening. But just because it's my chair just broke. Oh god. We want to see this market. We want to see the corrections happening right now. And remember, patience is key here in this business. Today, this is a rotational market. Value is higher. We got a questionable low here. This low wasn't corrected. this probably is trying to check this high now. And take your time. Take your time. Wait for an opportunity. And take your chances. Okay. Alright. Alright. Do you have any comments or questions? Please let me know. Otherwise, I will be calling it a day. As I say, this is a rotational day. And rotational days, trades are short, We trade ones, twos. We don't expect much. We don't expect big runs. Well, just be aware of that. Be careful with that. Don't expect much of this. Alright, guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. See you tomorrow.